The Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Repair Cream is a multi-action gel cream that helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes through surface exfoliation, whilst also minimising the visible signs of ageing. Featuring naturally derived bakuchiol with those retinol-like benefits, the clarifying formula improves oiliness and also helps with the appearance of wrinkles, the skin discoloration, and also that uneven skin texture. The salicylic acid helps to really diminish those blemishes on the skin by removing the dead skin cells. You've then got ceramides and plant-derived squalane, and that enhances your skin's protective lipid barrier with hydration. Best suited to oily skins that also want that anti-aging quality. They want the help with the discoloration and of course smoothing out that skin's texture. Use the cream each evening. So cleanse your skin, put your other treatment products on, and then enjoy what beautiful skin looks and feels like. You can get your Image Skincare Clear Cell Clarifying Repair Cream at skinmart.com.au.